Hi there, I'm Brian Jensen, and I will be teaching middle school algebra and intermediate algebra this year at Chippewa. This is my first full year here. I started second semester last year. Previously, I was at Irondale for 5.5 years, teaching intermediate algebra, advanced algebra, and pre-calculus. So I'm excited to stay in the school district and now be part of the Chippewa community. I really enjoy middle school level, and I couldn't be more excited to start this school year and really get back to more of a normal school year with your students. So my wife is also a teacher. She teaches U.S. Or AP U.S. history, and we have two girls, Kirby, who's almost 4, and Wrigley, who is almost 2. And we spent a lot of our summer traveling and doing parks and just being outside as much as we can. So it was a great break, but definitely ready to get started with the 22-23 school year. A lot of my spare time, I already mentioned traveling. We do a lot of baseball games. We're trying to go to all the baseball stadiums in the U.S. For Major League. I think we're at 11 or 12 now. So that's fun. We just like to do a lot of projects around the house and just spend time with family and friends. So we've got a lot of new exciting things I'm excited to try this school year and hopefully just bring more engagement and more excitement to math for your student, whether they are really excited about math already or not, or somewhere in between. Hopefully this can be a really good year in math class. So I think I've already said enough times that I'm very excited, but this is the truth, and hope to talk to all of you soon. Please reach out if you have any questions.